this time they convert.
And whether the Indonesians can maintain that stability, because they've been magnificent in the first part of this game here. He almost hit that with his back.
15-8. Little trick shot there from Kamura.
Means that the Chinese have to impart. Yeah. And they come the opening game 22-20.
22-20.
Only 20 minutes of play. Get that back. While Matthias bowled from the Indonesians, and too much change of pace. Look at that. Lovely.
Oh, variation in attack one more time, this time from Sukamuljo. First the slice, then the cross smash. One way felt there was.
From his round the head position, and yet playing cross court. Yeah.
Down the attack a little bit, and wait for his chances just slightly more patiently, as I actually think he has done just the last 3 or 4 shots or rallies. He has been more patient.
Yeah, and we saw it yesterday when he was at the back court, where he was sort of just playing downward shots.
Well controlled, he's broken the strings of his run. What a run.
Kamura, he knew that Kevin was 12.
Service over. 19-16.
Forward, Rasmussen, that's it. He tried to do it here. If both pairs are at their best. Fantastic defense.
3.
Hey! 擦网，守住，下中路，再结合边线。也不太好判断他这个落点，而且他杀到这是周浩东的正拍接杀，
对，
这个就更难发出力量。
You're right. Should be dead.
Vinnn, Sanjaya, 21-19.
Well, it's a tall order. There's a lot of catching up to do here. He's in fine form today. Hardly made any mistake despite the fact that he is taking...
Fight fire with fire.
Unbelievable defense.
They need breaks like that.
Yeah, well played from Keigo Sonoda. Yeah, he'll have another skip about the court and jump about as he always does.
Yes. This man cannot stand still.
No.
Shot.
Really opponents. Oh yes. Yeah, there's an attacking play from the Indonesians.
7.
Oh, there's no way that was coming back.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.